9 signs you should replace your office locks right away. There are many reasons why you might need to replace the locks on your office. Number 1. They have worn down. If you notice that your keys are getting stuck in your lock more often than usual, it is likely due to the fact that they have worn down. Number 2. They don't feel secure when you lock them. Office locks that don't seem to do their job anymore are another sign that it is time to replace these types of locks. Number 3. They are easily damaged. Office locks that can be easily damaged or broken also needs to be replaced as soon as possible. Number 4. Your business has experienced a fire or flood. You will likely need to replace your office locks if there has been an incident such as a fire or flood in the business. Number 5. Locks are old or outdated. Many newer locks come with features like keyless entry and fingerprint scanning, so it's important to make sure that your locks are up to date. Number 6. Locks are easy to pick or crack. A good lock should be difficult to pick or crack, so if you're having trouble with your current locks, it's time for a change. 7. Locks are frequently jammed or hard to open. A good lock should open smoothly and without any trouble, so if you're struggling with your current locks, it might be time for an upgrade. Contact a professional Miami locksmith to replace it. Number 8. If you have a large amount of keys for your office locks, it might be time to get rid of all of them and start fresh with a set of locks that can use a single key. Number 9. The business has moved or changed hands. Finally, if your business seems to have moved or changed hands, it is important that you purchase and install new office locks. Ignoring the warning signs that your locks need to be replaced can have serious consequences for your business. My Locksmith Miami can help you replace your old, outdated locks with new, high-security locks that will keep your business safe and sound. To find out more about what makes us so great, contact us at 786-777-8214.